Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change your site language in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to change your site language, first log in to your account, then click on Account Dashboard. From this page, click on this website button below your desired website. Then from this left side menu, scroll down to the bottom and hit this settings icon. Go to site languages. My current site language is English. To change it, click on it and select your desired language from here. Let's go with French. As you can see, this is the new date and time format. After that, click on Save. Now let's verify that my website is in French. What I will do is I will copy my website link, go to the incognito mode in Google Chrome. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. I see that the majority of my website text is still in English, but in this contact form, for example, I started seeing words in French. This is French, prénom. So I think this is the site built-in text, and for this text is still requires to be translated manually by me. And this is how to change your site language in Squarespace.